Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chef Jay. This is a new channel I started for cooking. Today I'm gonna do a Western omelet. I'm gonna start with some breakfast items, and then I'm gonna move up to all type of recipes, which I could cook: American, Italian, Spanish, you know, you name it. I could cook it. Doesn't matter what it is. I could cook Indian food. The recipes doesn't stop. So it's simple today. It's my first video. I want to see how it looks. That's why I'm starting simple. I want to see like my location of my camera. I want to go on the computer, see what it looks like when I'm done. I don't edit. Everything here is raw, and what you see is what you get. If I screw up, we screw up together. You know what I'm saying? I cooking at home right now, so it is what it is. I got my pan warming up. We're going to be using some butter. I got salt, pepper, 3 eggs, ham, green peppers, onions, and shredded cheese. And to start, we're going to put a little salt on our eggs. Not much. I'm using kosher salt. A little black pepper. All right. Now you can use a whisk if you want. I like using my fork for my eggs. You see that right there? Once your eggs are ready, I like to throw some butter in my preheated pan. I got it at low heat right now. And I'm going to start with the hams. Peppers. Some onions. Now we're going to bring the heat up. It's like more medium right now. So we letting that cook. Try to use a non-stick pan when you're doing an omelet, because you don't want it to stick on the bottom. Alright guys, so like I said, this is a new channel, and this video today is my prototype. I'm looking for light, the position of the camera where I'm recording, the sound, you know, the volume. So, and then from there I could see if I could move somewhere else or not. But this is my prototype video. That's why I went light. I went with an omelet. Simple. And like I said, I'll be cooking everything and anything, desserts, you name it. So it's summer coming around the corner. I'm going to be doing a lot of cooking outside too. I got a big 4-foot long flat top for outdoors, which I'll be using. So this is more like restaurant style omelet, you know, the way like the chef does it. More like if you do omelet station, stuff like that. I love cooking. That's one thing I do. I love cooking. So guys, follow me, and I'll be making a lot of recipes. I'll be making bread, anything. You tell me what you want to see, I'll make it. My specialties are more like Italian food and Spanish. Want to make me tacos? I'll make some tacos. Today we're gonna pair this with some store-bought. I hate buying stuff, to be honest. I like to make everything from scratch. But today I'm making it, I'm serving it with store-bought hash browns. So every once in a while, you have to cut a little corners. All right, so we lost a hand. All right, so we ready for the eggs. Everything gotta go. Everything, come on. Eggs are very expensive right now. Let's go. All right, so put my heat back to medium. And what you want to do, you want to work your corners, your edges. Get that liquid out from the top to the sides. And you got to do it pretty quick because you don't want to brown your egg in the outside, because when you flip it, you don't want that to be seen. Simple recipe. Like I said, it's my prototype. But after this, I'll be making more complicated stuff. So you want to get all that liquid from the top. You want to work it out of there somehow. And you want to make sure your edges are not sticking to the pan. Like that. And when the omelet is ready, it will let you know. So you have to be patient. You want to see that movement. When you see that movement, you know your omelet is ready. Look at that. That's what you want. Look at that, it's dancing in there. You're gonna look at it. It's almost about done. You see how it moves? It's like gelatin. So I'm going to bring the heat up a couple seconds. You see how the eggs want to just jump out? That's what you want. And you let it jump out. Put some cheese in it. I like a lot of cheese. Let it cook for a couple seconds. Alright, you're going to get it out. Flip it. Alright. You're going to put it like so. Look at that beautiful omelet. You're going to put some cheese on top. And like I said, presentation is everything. So we'll throw some grapes in there. And I got, like I said, my store-bought hash brown, like little pyramids. So there you have it, guys. Quick and simple, easy recipe. So I hope you guys like it. Follow me, subscribe. And to the next video, guys, have a God bless day. Thank you.